Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Mangunda, Konjeni Constituency.
Right Honorable Mr.
Wapusha.
Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, sir. I represent the people of Konjeni Mangunda Constituency. This is one of the constituencies that was demarcated from Cholo East and Cholo Central constituencies. But before I go further, let me thank Professor Arthur Peter Mutariga for allowing us that we can be in this house through his support. Mr. Speaker, sir, I can't go further without mentioning my brother, my mentor, my friend, Right Honorable Dr. Ben Malongapiri, for the contributions he has made to the people of Konjeni. He is a man and a half. And I promise that I will continue the developments that he has left with us in Konjeni. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let me congratulate you, the Speaker himself, and the Second Deputy Speaker for assuming into that beautiful office. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, the people of Konjeni Mangunda congratulates His Excellency, the President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutariga, the only President of the Republic of Malawi, for his historic victory in the September 16th elections. Mr. Speaker, sir, to be honest enough, the elections were so peaceful, credible, and democratic. The people spoke, and His Excellency, Professor Arthur Peter Mutariga, emerged the winner by a wide margin. It was more like an atomic bomb that happened in Hiroshima on 16th August 1965. You can agree with me, my dear friends, that this noble leader is already working hard towards meeting the aspirations of Malawians. Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, sir, it is with great honor and humility that I stand here to thank God for making me a member of this very august house, and to be speaking here for the first time in my life. Secondly, let me thank the people of Konjeni Mangunda constituency for entrusting me with this heavy responsibility of being their representative in this august house. Let me also express my sincere appreciation to His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutariga, the President of the Republic of Malawi, and the mighty Democratic Progressive Party for making me feel so welcome to the party I represent, the people of Konjeni Mangunda constituency. It indeed expresses great love. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, the people of Konjeni Mangunda constituency applaud His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutariga, President of the Republic of Malawi, for putting agriculture as one of the priority areas on his agenda development. Mr. Speaker, sir, agriculture is the basis for any development. As we heard already from the head of state a few days ago, that things will change for the better in this country. We should all join the leadership in moving fast into smart agriculture. It is very easy to get high efficiency technology in agriculture, and we all need is a political will. It is so pleasing, Mr. Speaker, sir, to note that this administration is seriously about it. The way Malawi will have sufficient food for consumption locally and for export. Consequently, malnutrition, which is still a serious issue in this country, will be drastically eradicated. The Deputy Speaker, sir, as I represent the people of Konjeni, Mangunda, and Cholo, I will take the closest interest in matters to do with agriculture. It is focused now on how we can make government more effective, as His Excellency, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, wants it to be. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to believe that people out there will judge us not by what we say or promise, but by what we do and are able to deliver. Let us all follow the footprints of His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, a man who delivers what he promises and promises what he can deliver. As a young man, as a young member of Parliament, I want to believe that members of this Parliament must be big picture thinkers, people who are able to see vision before their constituents and they move together with them to development. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the past 5-6 years, Malawi has seen the worst government ever. A clueless government. The government that knew nothing and did nothing. The government that turned this country upside down. Instead of moving forward, Malawi was moving fast, but backwards. Malawi Congress Party has taken us back in 1930s, where access to food, education, health care, among others, was impossible. Mr. Speaker, sir, the SONA that was delivered in here by President of the Republic of Malawi is the only roadmap to a prosperous Malawi. It gives us answers to the challenges that Malawi is facing now. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have to commend Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika and the DPP-led government for taking money from capital city to the constituencies. There is no government that did this before. We are so blessed to have Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika as the President of the Republic of Malawi. With 5 billion, Mr. Speaker, sir, Malawi has been liberated from evil. Malawi has been healed, and Malawi is free from poverty. That money, 5 billion, is so huge to our constituencies, and it will help us to build schools, it will help us to build roads, it will help us to build bridges, it will help us to build health centers, it will help us to eradicate poverty in Malawi. Ndi mwanzama woparasa ni manja. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I resume my seat, my heart is broken. I live in sorrow. I live in fear, and my hands and legs are cut. One thing I have not noticed in this life, why is it
Honor member for the
like that.
Order,
Each
please.
time our
Order,
friends in oppositions are in opposition, we lose prominent figures in this country. In 1963, we lost people in Mwanza. And in June 2024, we have lost prominent figures. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, what pains me most, we have lost a sister, the only pilot female in the army, in the name of Flora Ngwilinji. That lady was my sister. He was a diacon, he was a pillar. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a great loss to the people of Malawi and to the people of Cholo, Konjeni, Mangunda. But I'm happy that the minister responsible, Minister of Justice, has taken the responsibility that he will make the inquiry and the truth will be known. We can't continue losing prominent, important people in this country
Honor members.
like that.
Hold on, honor members.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Wait. Honor members, I'm wondering why the honor member at the back is standing, the lady honor member. You, I don't know why you are standing. What? The honorable member still has 2 minutes and is presenting a maiden speech. Honor member, consider winding up. We don't have much time, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I've put it, we are so heartbroken that we did not even see the face of our sister when his body was in the casket, because the government did not give us that chance. We are calling for fresh investigation. We are not looking for compensation because we lost life. We are looking for those people who are responsible to be apprehended. We have the former Minister of Information saying or telling us that he is keeping the black box. And we know for sure that the black box is safe. And all the people that were involved, they have to be apprehended. With these few remarks, Mr. Speaker, sir, I rest my case. Thank you
With
so
these
much.
few remarks, thank you very much. Honor members, we did not have a privilege of time to be extended. So whip, I did not have any privilege of time being extended. Actually, it's past 5. But leader, you have the floor. You can negotiate with the whip. Leader, you have the floor. Order to my right. Honor members to my right, order. The leader is on the floor.
The debate this afternoon has been amazing. Quality.
Yeah, I think
This cohort is something else. I think days are gone when we would question the caliber of members of parliament. So we can give ourselves a huge applaud of excellent contributions from both sides of the House. Tomorrow, First Deputy Speaker, we will start business at 2 o'clock with a ministerial statement from the Minister of Transport and Public Works. And thereafter, we'll continue with debate on the President's address. You have been very kind, First Deputy Speaker. You have recognized a number of members that have made their maiden speeches. I do hope that tomorrow that will be the case. So once again, colleagues, good evening, and thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker.
Thank you very much, Leader, for the guidance. Honor members, apologies, I cannot take any point of orders because we don't have time, a privilege for that. I would like to make a quick announcement, honor members. The House met during the half break, and a committee on social welfare has been elected. The chairperson of the Social Committee of Parliament Welfare is Honorable Ada Noah Chimpeni. And his vice is Honorable Taone Henry. Treasurer is Honorable Susan Dorsey. Secretary, Honorable Mutani Tambala. And the members are Honorable Besta Awali, Honorable Savio Kafwafa, Honorable Francis Berekanyama, Honorable Chikondi Kampachike Chisale, and Honorable Maureen Namwali. Congratulations to the Social Welfare Committee. Please, you have a work to do, and we hope you do have a meeting with the former chairperson and his committee, who is now the commissioner of this house. Honor members, it is order. Honor member, order. Is this an honorable member? Order member, order. Please, honor member, go back to your seat. Thank you. Please go back to your seat. Use the same route you took. Use the same route you took. Thank you, honorable member. Actually, I was so worried. You were about to cross the floor, so I was so worried. The way you walked, but now you're okay. You are safe in that seat. Next time you want to cross the floor, please let the chair know so I can make official announcements from this table. Honor members, it is 4 after 17. I will adjourn the House to tomorrow, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, when the second Deputy Speaker will be chairing the proceedings of this House. Thank you, Honor member. House adjourned. Thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.